Hiding columns and unhiding columns plays a vital role in reporting job for everyone in day-to-day life. Hi friends, welcome back to Google Tech. Today I am going to show you how we can do it in a simpler manner of hiding and unhiding columns in 2 lines of code. Let's start with the video. So what I am going to do is I am going to copy this complete data and moving it to new Excel file and click on developer tab, go to Visual Basic, and this is how the code we have already written. So I am going to create a new module. So first what we are going to do is we are going to write a code to hide the columns, right? So sub hide, I am giving the subroutine name as hide, and first I'm going to show you how to hide one column. So range of, I'm going to hide only column B, and dot entire column dot hidden is equal to true. What this piece of code will give you an output is the entire column which we have declared here will automatically get hidden. For unhide, what we have to do, we just need to change the piece of code into, I'm writing a new subroutine where same range B is to B dot entire column dot hidden is equal to false. So this is how the code will work. Now we have given it for one column which is hiding column B and unhiding the column B again. So how to arrive that into a button? So for that you can go and create a text box so that we can give fancy colors for that text box as well. We can give the format also. So I'm going to give this color. We can choose whichever is likely to us. I'm going to give, and I'm going to give the text as hide, and copy the same text box, drag it down and rename it to unhide. So now right click and you can see assign macro option. It says module 2 hide and unhide, module 1 and unhide. So module 2 is the one which you have created. Select that and here again select it to module 2 unhide option. Click on OK, and once you click on hide you can see column B is hidden. Once you click on unhide, column B is unhiding. So this is how hiding of single column works. Now I want to do it for multiple columns. How I am going to do that? That is nothing but instead of B to B, I'm going to hide it till D column. The same I'm going to rewrite it here, just changing the range value from B to D, and going back to my file, click on hide. It is hiding my B, C and D, and unhide, the same is revert back. The same method we have given in the same file, hiding the column and unhiding the column. So hope you have understood this concept clearly. If you have any doubt in this piece of video, please reach out to us. We'll happy to assist you in all the time. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.